Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Ushabala.
Honey.
So today I'm gonna show you this easy bun hairstyle. So let's get started into the video. First of all, take a comb and comb your hair thoroughly that there are no tangles of your hair. Comb your hair to backwards. And gather your hair into like ponytail, like so. It's very high ponytail to take, like so I'm doing in this video. And take an elastic and to fix it a high ponytail. Make sure that the elastic too tightly. Okay, this is the ponytail, high ponytail. Okay, now the hair divided into 3 equal parts and make a normal braid. So the braid making completed. Now pull the strands like so. Now take another elastic and fix it at the end of the braid. Please subscribe my channel, guys. Okay, now again little bit stretch out by strands. Okay, now take U-pins. These are U-pins I used. Okay, now the braid rotate around the ponytail like so. And rotate like a bun. Okay, now tuck the ends of your braid into under the bun. Okay, now secure it the bun with U-pins. Use as many as pins if you want. Make sure that the elastics black color. I probably use a color elastic, so I have that. I don't have black elastic, so I am not using that. So if you have black elastics, make sure that the bun in black elastics. It might not visible, so use the black elastics only. So now the bun making completed. Now push your hair into upwards like forward. Now take some random flecks on your forehead. Please like my video, guys. So this is my hairstyle, guys. Please like this video, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Keep smiling, guys. Bye. Take care all of you.